Hello, this is Randy Lindsay with Hawkeye Traders. President Donald Trump has been impeached by Congress. What is the effect on the markets? Well, let's have a look real quick and see. It's about 9:24 a.m. the day after the impeachment vote. The S&P 500 currently closed higher yesterday. It has opened up and is currently trading slightly lower, but as you can see, we have an inside bar from yesterday's action. So right now, looks like there's not much response or reaction. Maybe the markets are waiting for the open to occur, which is in about 5 minutes. The Nasdaq again closed much higher, made a new all-time high again yesterday. It was the 6th day in a row of highs greater than the open. Today's market so far has been muted and is again an inside bar, so we're not seeing any real response out of the technology sector. The Dow, same song, second verse. You can see the third inside bar in a row where we see very muted trading. You see a high amount of volume but declining, so you can see not a real response. This market's looking to be a little bit higher on the from yesterday's close to the open. The Russell, which was yesterday's shining example of bullishness, is again showing very muted response and is very close to its high of yesterday. It is continuing to break from its declining wedge, hopefully trying to reach the new highs that all the other markets seem to be enjoying. Gold is still showing very muted response, still an inside bar from yesterday's slightly down move, but still an overall uncertain response. So there's still no response in any of the markets. Crude oil inventories in the United States are down from yesterday's report, which gave it a little boost in the crude oil market. But you can see crude oil is starting to break and is continuing its bullish trend into trying to get back to the highs produced by the Saudi oil field attacks back in September. So you can see that the price of oil right now is trading a little bit higher from its open. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, again, 5 almost 6 days of highs greater than, lows greater than, closes greater than the open, and increasing in volume activity. So there seems to be some action there, but none of this is related to the impeachment. So it looks like the impeachment process is just something of a notary. It's something that occurs. It's hopefully making some people feel better. Hopefully we can get this 3 to 4 year witch hunt out of the way and just get on to business. So I hope that the markets continue to just do what they do. And it looks like they are, and I see that these responses aren't going to be anything new. So that's today's market update from a Hawkeye perspective. My name is Randy Lindsay. Thank you for joining me.